Hey superstars, welcome back to the channel, You guys, as you guys see, we are trying to braid our hair, honey. We have our Shine and Jam, we have our Mousse, and we have our African Pride leave-in cream conditioner, honey. And when I tell you guys, I had absolutely no freaking idea what I was doing, okay? So this is a first attempt on box braids, knotless box braids, whatever you want to call them. I kept wanting to put a knot in the braid and it was defeating the whole purpose. It took me forever to figure out how to do this crap, you guys. So this is not like a full-on fledged tutorial because I don't even know how to tell you guys what to do yet because I didn't really figure it out until the end. But I did just want to show you guys a little bit of what I did to achieve these nice, beautiful gray knotless braids. I have been wanting braids for the longest, and I'm so glad that I finally have them, and I got to save $200. Hello. So parting the hair was the most difficult and the most trying because it was actually a lot harder than I thought it was going to be to part my damn hair, you guys. Like, what the heck? Even with the mirror, the vanity mirror, the mirror behind me, and then the handheld mirror, I just could not figure it out, y'all. So excuse the parting for all you perfectionists. Remember, I am not a professional, and nor am I claiming to be one. I just know that I wanted to do some kind of protective style on my hair and save money. So as you guys see, I am getting the braids in, I'm getting them done. And what was interesting about this whole process is I actually was able to pick up how to feed the hair into the braid better than I could figure out how the heck to get the actual braid like close to the scalp. Like, that's something that I did have a struggle with. And then also trying to figure out how much braiding hair to feed in to get my desired size of the braid. So that's something that you guys want to be careful about. But I hope you guys enjoy this video and you guys like the final results. I will definitely be trying this again to see if I learned anything. I do definitely feel that I picked up tips and tricks along the way of what to do and what the hell not to do. And I definitely will not be following 10 people's techniques. You know, as you guys look, y'all see me feeding in that hair? Don't I look like a professional? You better come through, Angie. I just wish that my parting was much better, but it is what it is. It's not the end of the world. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe to the channel. This is our new channel, and I'm just so excited to put new makeup, skincare, and hair videos, content for you guys here. And follow me on Instagram _life with star with 2 R's _ TikTok is just life with star with 2 R's. And yeah, all right, superstars. Ciao, ciao. Okay, y'all, so let me just chime in for a second. This is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be, honey. I would say that the biggest I guess hiccup in this process has been knowing how much hair to actually like feed in. And like, I'm a beginner, y'all. This is literally the first time I've ever tried to like braid my own real hair. And you know, I think for a first timer, like, listen, they're not gonna be, obviously I wouldn't charge anybody to do their hair, but for a first timer, y'all, like, not too bad. I was trying to obviously figure out like how long I wanted them to be. I am gonna go through and trim them down, and yeah, but this is where we are so far. I did take a break, so I just wanted to kind of just chime in with you guys and just let you guys see where we were so far. They are not perfect. I was not going for perfection because, again, I don't know what the hell I'm doing anyway. Like, I literally went on YouTube like everybody else and tried to figure out the best method on how to do these braids, and I don't think that there is any like perfect method. I think whatever fits for you is what is for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and just knock the rest of this out, and then I will be back to show you guys the final. Stay tuned. Okay. Hey superstars, beauty stars. I don't know, do you guys want to be called beauty stars or superstars? I'm just so used to saying superstars. Anywho, it's really late and I finished the hair, but I can't show you guys yet. So we're gonna do a final reveal, honey. But they actually turned out a lot better than I expected them to. There was such a lot of friggin' hiccups along the way, y'all. Like, I feel like I just did not find my groove until like the bitter end. So definitely I feel an amazing first shot since this was my first attempt at some knotless braids or braids in general. So I hope that you guys enjoyed them, and if you don't, do not be so hard on your girl because I'm not a professional and this was my first try, okay? So yeah, I tried to put together a little bit of footage for y'all, you know what I'm saying? But I hope that you guys enjoy the reveal, honey, and I cannot wait to show you. They actually look pretty freaking amazing. Again, for them to be the first try. So yeah, I'll see you guys in 3 and 2 and 1. Ooh! Hey superstars! I feel like Craig's girlfriend from Friday, child. Y'all, this was harder than I thought it was gonna be. And not only that, it was actually really rewarding too at the same time, because like I said, I saved lipstick on my teeth. I saved money. Okay, I saved about $200 doing these on my own, and I learned a lot of things in the process as well. So now I know for next time kind of basically like what not to do versus what to do. The hardest part for me, I would say, was trying to get the braids as close to the scalp as possible, and I naturally kept wanting to like create a knot even though it was supposed to be knotless. I had to teach myself how to feed hair into the braid, which I've never done before. Hello. And just a lot of patience, because this is not something that is done in an hour. But my parts are treacherous, honey, but I feel like for somebody who is doing this for the first time, they're not that bad. So I'm just gonna turn around and let you guys see. Can you guys see? Yeah, you guys can see. So they're not perfect, you guys, but they're also not the worst that I've ever seen. So I am super pleased and excited about my braids today, because I cut my hair off. You guys seen that. And it's not because I feel self-conscious about my hair. I had been wanting braids, but my hair was way too long, child. And I knew I didn't have the confidence to do it, and I was not gonna pay somebody. So cutting my hair, that gave me the perfect opportunity to get me some braids, honey. I did buy, let me show you guys the hair. Okay guys, this is the hair that I purchased. I just got it from my local beauty supply store. I honestly really didn't know what was the best hair to get. This pack was $2.99. I did see people like online saying like, oh, the cheaper the hair, the worse it's gonna turn out, but it's all synthetic hair, so you know, whatever. And I know that I wanted to do this silver gray mix, and this was the only brand, Spetra? Oh, Spet, no C. This was the only brand that had the color option that I wanted. So, but it does feel really, really soft. It did not tangle pretty much like at all during the process, and it set really well in the hot water. So it did everything that it was supposed to do. I haven't felt any like weird reaction. I was starting to itch a little bit before I soaked it in the hot water. But I also read like sometimes that can kill off whatever, you know, there's stuff in here, and not everybody can handle synthetic hair, which is me. I could barely handle somebody else's human hair. But I'm super pleased at how they turned out. I would say if I learned anything from this process, it is that not to try to follow exactly what somebody else did. I was trying to mimic too many different people's style, and it was really screwing with me. So I wasted like an hour and a half of trying to figure out the best way to part my hair and trying to teach myself how to feed in hair, when really I should have just started and just went with what felt natural to me and figured it out, you know, along the way, which we eventually did, because here we are with a finished look. So if you guys want to get a little closer, I mean, trying to figure out how much hair should go into each braid was a little challenging too, just because you didn't want to have one braid that was super small versus one braid that was super big, and I struggled with that a little bit. But yeah, here we are, y'all. Like, I'm sorry that this is not like a full-on like tutorial, but I didn't want to stake the claim that I'm trying to teach somebody how to do knotless braids, because honey, I was on YouTube looking at these girls just like everybody else. I was trying to learn, and I just wanted to show you guys my results because I'm really proud of them. Honey, we got braids. We got braids, honey. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my results because I'm stinking proud of them. And so all in all, it took me an hour and a half, I would say 8 hours. And that's 6.5 like braiding hours, and then an hour and a half of, like I said, trying to part my damn hair and then trying to teach myself techniques on how to get the hair to actually stay in my head. So yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this is not going to be the last time I try these, honey, because I did buy extra hair. So I do have enough hair for next time. And then I do want to venture out and try to do like the Havana twist. Is it Havana or Havana? Don't come for me, y'all. And then maybe some passion twists. I might want to teach myself how to do crochet, but I think my hair is a little too soft for crochet hairstyle. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But honey, I ain't have to spend them little $200 something. I got me some braids. All in all, I spent, I got 4 packs of hair. So I spent $12 on the braiding hair, and then I did buy the Shine and Jam for $5.99, and then I bought this mousse because I couldn't find my mousse, but I ended up finding it when I got home anyway. So I spent $4.49 on this mousse, which is fine, I'll use it. And then I bought a new rat tail comb. I actually need to use it because I was gonna touch up my little edges. I bought a new rat tail comb with the steel end, and then I bought an edger brush, but they seem to have gone missing. I don't know what happened to them. But anywho, so that is the video. Here are the braids. I will show you guys again once more so you guys can see. There we go. And we'll turn around for you. There we go. Yes. I like the fact that my scalp is not like radiating with pain, which I know is why everybody is on this wave of doing the knotless braids. So my scalp is super sensitive, like it can get really red. I'm not tender-headed or anything like that, but honey, some of y'all ladies be gripping that scalp, child, and I don't want to lose my edges. But here we go. We're here. We have braids. I will leave these in probably for a couple weeks. Hopefully they last, you know, that long. And then if I need to retouch the front, I can, because I have extra hair. I don't know if it's recommended to use the same hair. I think you should use like new fresh hair. If you guys have any tips, tricks, you know, some ideas for me, leave it down below in the comment section. But like I said, don't come for me because I never said that I was a professional, and this is my first time. And for my first time, honey, I think they look pretty damn good. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna rock my little style with pride because it took me a whole shift to do this, okay? Alright, you guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Drop some love down in the comments and let me know what you guys would like to see next time on the channel. And then if you guys have any tips or tricks for me, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, honey. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads coming your way, y'all. And I will see y'all on the flip side next time. Spread love because it's free, which means that it costs nothing to tell somebody that you love them. And I love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.